Hi, I'm Rachel Catherine, and welcome to RCsummer. Here's my running OOTD. So I have this orange shirt from Lorna Jane. I have my Puma sports bra on underneath. I have my new little shorts from Cotton On Body and just my black and white Nikes. And I'm gonna go for my run now. I sound really weird because I just woke up. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Monday morning and I've already had a very productive morning. I don't know what my hair is doing. It is currently 8:43 in the morning and I've already filmed 2 videos and I went for a run this morning. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I should do that, but I cleaned my room. Everything is great. It is a good Monday. I don't have work today unless they call me in. I don't really have work much this week unless they call me in, so I'm hoping they call me in. But you're probably like, Rachel, how did you film 2 videos all looking like that? Well, I actually filmed my bullet journaling videos. It looks like I'm holding that really weird. My bullet journaling videos, because you guys have been begging to see those. So I think one of them might have already gone up before this vlog, possibly. If not, it'll be going up very, very soon. And then the other one will probably go up in about a week or 2, depending on how this one goes. So if you guys really enjoy the one that I've just uploaded or I'm about to upload, then I'll upload the second one. But if you don't enjoy it, then I won't upload the second one, if that makes sense. So the first one was my 2018 layout setup kind of video, and my second one will be my February layout / setup video. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. But yeah, I'm really excited to have filmed those. Apart from that, today I want to finish editing my vlog from yesterday, which I've pretty much already edited. It's just a little bit of like final touches and stuff. Then I want to also edit my top 7 that's going up on Thursday. Actually, I might edit my bullet journaling video first because I think I might put that up before then, but we will see. And then I might see if I can vacuum my car. And then I also went to a meeting yesterday, which I talked to you guys about, and I have a whole bunch of forms that I need to fill out from that meeting, so I'm going to try and get that done today as well. So just like a productive getting stuff done day. It's a good day. I'm excited. I'm gonna probably go make some breakfast now and then probably start editing. Oh yeah, this looks fantastic. Breakfast. Hello my friends, it is actually like way later in the day now and I've had such a productive day. So last time I talked to you, I think I was eating my breakfast, and by that point I had already filmed 2 videos, but I think that's all I had done. And since then I also edited 3 videos, uploaded and scheduled 2 videos with thumbnails. Then I cleaned my room, then I went and cleaned out my car, like took out all the rubbish and like jumpers and stuff that I just have kept in there that I didn't need to have in there. Then I vacuumed my entire car, and then I also like wiped down all the plasticky kind of areas that just like needed a wipe down because they were dusty or dirty or whatever. And then I washed my car, and then I also washed all of my makeup brushes. So it has just been a productive day, and it's only like 2 p.m. now. Actually no, it was 2 p.m. by the time I finished that. And then I just came back to my room, did a little bit of organizing. Oh, I also filled in all the forms that I needed to fill in, and I texted Giorgio this morning being like, hey, do you want to go to IKEA this afternoon after you finish work? And she finishes work at 4, so I think it's almost 3 at the moment, and so I think until 4, because she has to still go home and then get changed and then come to my house, and then I'll drive us to IKEA. But until then I'm just gonna read my book and chill out, and I'm just really, yeah, it's a good day. It's a really good day. I've just gotten like all the stuff that I needed to get done this whole week done today, which is fantastic. I'm so ahead on all of my like sit down videos. Like obviously I can't really be that ahead on my vlogs because they're like a daily thing, but I've got a sit down video going up Tuesday. Today's Monday. I've got one going up Thursday. Then I already have a haul filmed, another bullet journaling video filmed. I have like a sit down chatty video filmed, and I think that's all. But I'm just, yeah, it's been great. I'm really enjoying being so productive. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna read and hang out and chill out and live my life. By the way, I'm wearing pants. These are my new ones from KMART that I got yesterday, and I love them. For $4, I'm so surprised. Like, I didn't think they'd fit very nicely, because actually yesterday when I went outlet shopping, I went to the Nike outlet and I tried on some of their running shorts, and they looked so bad, like so bad. And I just think it's so funny because I literally came home, tried these ones on, and they looked better than the expensive Nike ones. So I'm glad I didn't get the Nike ones and I got the $4 KMART ones instead. But I'll talk to you guys
probably either on the way to IKEA or when I get to IKEA, or unless something else comes up. You guys know the drill. Today is definitely a no makeup day, but I'm still at home. I just wanted to update you because Skye messaged me and she's like, hey, have you guys left yet? Because originally we invited her as well, but she had to do something. And then I was like, no, like, because right now it's 3:50, and I was like, no, Georgia doesn't even finish work till 4, and she's like, oh, okay, well, like, I can come now because the thing that I was gonna do isn't happening now. So she's coming over, so she'll be here any minute, and then we'll just hang out until Georgia gets here, and then we'll head off to IKEA. But I thought I'd show you my outfit because I actually got ready. I love doing outfits of the days, but this bodysuit is from Zaful. If you saw my Zaful haul, you would have seen it. I really, really like it, and these shorts are from Shopo in a haul coming soon. And I have no idea what shoes I'm gonna wear. I'm still waiting for the girls to arrive, but I got a package. I'm pretty sure I know what this is because I ordered it, but I thought I would open it on camera. It's not super exciting, but it is exciting at the same time. Colorful fit bag. Apparently that's what it's called. This is just from eBay, for those of you who are wondering. Oh, sweet! And it's just a little bag for my Polaroid, because I'm always traveling with my Polaroid and I feel like I just chuck it in my bag and I don't want it to break. So I got this little bag for it, and it comes with a strap, which will be super helpful if I'm on like a photo shoot or like just want to take it with me somewhere, and then I can carry it over my shoulder instead of having to hold onto it, because being a YouTuber, you have enough camera stuff to carry already, let alone adding a Polaroid to that. So this will be super handy. They came in a bunch of different colors, but I just got black because it'll just be easier. I have a yellow Polaroid. It's beautiful. Oh, that's so good. It looks like a handbag. Like I could totally wear that and no one would ever know. Actually, probably some people would, but that is so handy. That's great. Wow, what a great purchase. And I think it was like 10 bucks. Like, it was so inexpensive. So check out eBay. I think all I searched up was like Polaroid bag or Polaroid case or something. But yeah, that is such a cute setup. I love the colors. We are at IKEA and we're gonna go get food first because we're all hungry and this isn't focused. What a quality vlog. First things first, when we go to IKEA, you gotta get the IKEA food because it's cheap and it's good and we're hungry.
Alright. This is Live and Barring.
This is like Skye's first time since she was like 10. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. God, that was terrible. Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. So we're just in our new house. It's a very small sink, like quite small. I love it when it doesn't focus. So many things. I want them all. One day I'm gonna have a big office with lots of books. I love organization. Well, did they always have a grey one? I feel like they didn't always have grey. Maybe I'm wrong. I'll get this one. Does this, oh, it swivels. I'm spinning on the stool. Oh, we're into bed territory. Feel a little bit dizzy, but it's fine. How did we end up here? We're in the homeland. $7.50 for an iron? Wow. We're in KMART at the moment. We're having a shop. I didn't let myself bring in my wallet because I don't need to buy things because I was here yesterday. I don't know what to say. Well, I love a good basket. For a plant, a cute little plant. Oh, that's cute. Is it nice though? Oh, it does not feel that good. Oh my gosh, they have glitter in the bath mat. Wow.
So extra.
That is very extra.
Like Jacqueline Hill would have, but like not like.
It'd be like fancier. Apparently the Target towels are really good.
Yeah.
Since when was this a thing?
No way. If they had a pastel yellow one, I would want
George, they have a star one. Guys, why are KMART pajamas so cute? They have, these ones are like silky. Oh, I really like those ones. They do not have my size though, but I really like these ones. I like these ones.
Yeah.
Oh, they're soft. George, I want them. I'm so glad I didn't bring my wallet though, because this would be an issue. There are so many cute pajamas and I really don't need them. I mean, I wear them a lot, especially being a YouTuber, but there's only so many pajamas that you need, you know?
My thing with these is the I don't like these two lines.
You don't like the grey?
No.
Yeah, I agree.
Like
white and pink?
White, I'd rather pink and white.
Yeah, I agree. Keep the pattern, change the colours.
I'm gonna say no.
You're gonna say no? I really want these ones. Can you get me these for my birthday? And these ones, they don't have my size either. I love them, 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 I love them. They're so cute, but I don't need them. I love them, 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 I love them. What do you guys think? I hate them, I hate them, I hate them. But these ones on the other hand, I love them, 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 I love them. But I actually do. They're literally like walking on pillows. These are from the kids section, by the way. $6. Get your hands on them. Why are children having high heels? What do you mean? This is the children's section. Get out of here. Kmart is just stepping up their game. Like, this is the OXX brand. What do you mean? Like, it's got these toothbrush brushes. Illuminator for $2. I wonder if that would be good or not.
Just be cute. Why did I buy that hourglass blush? I bought that one.
That actually does look very similar to the hourglass one. Hello, what is this? Sorry? Huh? Excuse me? Oh my gosh, we should get one for every, oh, they're $1. Here we go. I now pronounce you squad of the squads. Wow. She is beauty, she is grace, she is Miss United States.
Squad.
Honestly, wow. Fantastic. Look how cool these are down at the bottom. They're sick. I also really like this shirt too. It comes in the khaki.
Their waistbands just look so cool.
They really do. I really like this too. But also, like, I don't really like the font they have going on. I'm not a fan. But I really like these shorts.
I really like these ones.
I actually really like them. I don't really have them. Actually, I do have some. I have like one pair of sweatpants. Kmart has really stepped it up. There she is at Authentically Amy. That one looks different. That one in the picture of like this. That's cute.
This has like a pattern here.
Yeah, oh no, look at this. It's got a little plastic bit. No. When they say, if you were an animal, what would you be? Yo, gyro. Dollar bills, yo. Got that dollar bills, yo. Ha 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 ha. It's the next day now, but I totally forgot to end off this vlog, and I haven't done that in a while, so I wanted to end it off now. I was going to apologize for having 2 Kmart vlogs in 2 days, but from what I've gathered from the comments in the last one, you guys love Kmart vlogs, so I'm glad that I went to Kmart again. It was a very spontaneous decision. It's just so much fun to walk around Kmart and IKEA as well and not buy anything. It's just fun to walk around. Like, literally the only purchase that Georgia and I made last night was a $2 McFlurry after we finished shopping. But it was really fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video very, very soon. Goodbye.